Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make Butter Lachha Paratha. Start by mixing 2 cups atta, a pinch of salt, and warm water to make a soft, pliable dough. Rest the dough under a damp cloth for 20 minutes to relax the gluten. While it rests, soften 3 tablespoons of butter to room temperature for layering. I'll walk you through rolling, pleating, and cooking to get crisp, flaky layers. In this video, I will show how to make Butter Lachha Paratha. After combining flour, salt, and water, knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes until it feels smooth and elastic. Place the dough in an oiled bowl and cover with a damp cloth, letting it rest for at least 20 minutes so the gluten relaxes. This step makes rolling simpler and helps create distinct flaky layers later in the process. In this video, I will show how to make Butter Lachha Paratha. Divide rested dough into equal balls and roll each into a thin 6-inch circle. Spread a thin, even layer of softened butter over the surface, then pleat the circle like a fan and coil it into a tight round. Roll the coil gently into a flat disc, keeping the layers intact, so each paratha becomes crisp and flaky when cooked on a hot tawa.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.